show you how easy it is to make your own bows for the holidays. They come out very, very beautiful. Here's one right here that I'm going to show you with this ribbon. All you need is wired ribbon and also a zip tie. That's it. So we start with the ribbon that you want to use to make your beautiful bow. You're going to unroll the ribbon and lay it on a surface to get an idea of how long you want the tail and how big you want your bow loops. Once you have decided on how big you want your loops, once you make the first loops, you're going to press down the ribbon, and because it has the wire in it, it will go nice and flat and make a crease. You will continue to repeat this technique depending on how many loops you want in your bow. I am choosing to make a bow with 12 loops, 6 loops on each side. Once I have made my 12 loops, I'm going to end it with a tail on the other side as well. As you can see here, I have 6 loops on each side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next, I like to take and fold the piece in half to get the center point of the bow. And then open it back up and do an accordion-like or fan-like gathering of the bow at the center. And then you're going to take a zip cable tie and place it around the center of the bow where we have gathered it together, and loop the zip tie around and secure it. Not too snug, but fairly snug, but you want to leave a little room so that you can still manipulate the bow as you need to with the different loops, as you will tighten it at the end when you know that it's all set and ready to be tightened. And here is what it will look like. Next, I will begin opening the loops and puffing them out, making the bow come to life. If you are enjoying this video, please pop that subscribe button. Now you need to remember that on one side of the bow, the loop's on the one side, the detail of the bow is on the outside, and you don't have to do anything but just puff it open. But when you go to do the bow loops on the other side, you're going to have to puff it out, but then turn it inside out to have the detail of the bow that you want to have on the outside to match the other side. This is why I did not tighten the zip tie too tight so that I would be able to do this task. Now that I have puffed out all loops, I can tighten the zip tie and cut the tail. Next, I'm going to wrap one piece of the tail ribbon over the zip tie so that it is well hidden, and then bring it around to the bottom of the bow and make a knot to secure it. Now I'm just putting the loops back into place. Once I have the loops of the bow just where I want them, I'm going to take the tails and just cut a little diagonal piece off each part of the tail. And here it is. Look how pretty. I would say this is a special bow for a special gift for a special person. It's poppin'. You could even put this on yourself and you could be somebody's Christmas present this year. About that. But anyway, it's a beautiful size bow. Look gorgeous. So thank you for joining PJ Chic and Unique, and I hope that this really helps you save some money this holiday season. It's a lot of fun and it's rewarding because you did it yourself. So putting something like that on a gift to someone makes it even more special. Thank you. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share.